Today I wanted to go over 4 different reasons why I chose the Coleman Sundome 6-person to be my family bug-out camping shelter. You just got to get prepared. In a world where there are so many different tent options available, it's hard to narrow it down. But I was kind of looking for a budget-friendly option, and this is the one that I like. So my first reason is cost. You can find these on Amazon right now from $99 up to $150. But they always are changing in price, so keep an eye out and see what you can find. I will leave a link below if you want to check out more details on that, but just do your shopping and you might be able to find a good deal. The second thing that I really liked about this tent was its packability. I've seen a lot of tents out there that their storage container is huge, and you wonder, how am I going to carry that or get that where I need to go? And I like that this one was a pretty compact size that will fit and carry easily. Nice little carrying case. Now I will tell you, this is my brother's tent. I borrowed it for this video. This is the tent that I've been using, and as you can see, once you open it up and start using it, it does grow a little bit in size. So just be aware of that. They do expand. There's a nice little thing here you can pull off to make the bag be a little bit bigger. But when they show up on your doorstep, they look nice and neat, very pretty, but they do grow a little bit as you use it. The third thing that I really like about this tent is the simplicity of the design. It's basically just a square. There are 4 different corners, so when it comes to staking it down, all you have to do is put a stake in each corner. After you get it staked down, there are only 3 poles that come in the bag. 2 of them you'll use to set up the main body of the tent, and the third one is for the rain fly. All you have to do is take the pole and just thread it through the sleeve. It's that simple. Another thing that I really like about this setup design is that it can be done by myself. So if I'm all alone, I can take care of it, but if there's someone else there to help me, it goes up just a little bit easier. The fourth thing that I really like about this tent is the size. Like I mentioned, this is the 6-person tent that says it's 10 feet by 10 feet. I actually got my tape measure out and measured it the other day, and it is really close to those sizes. It's also 6 feet inside for the height. And so it's very easy to be able to stand in there and to be able to move around. I'm close to 6 feet tall, so it works out well for me. Even though it calls itself a 6-person tent, I've found that it folds 4 people quite comfortably. I've laid a few sleeping bags out here just to show you the size of it, along with a little bit of gear up here in the front. I guess you could get 6 people in here if you needed to, but it's going to be a little cozy. If you are looking for a budget-friendly family tent, I hope that this quick review has been helpful. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.